Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see, I am doing a Target shop with me haul. I'm actually at Target already. I came because I ordered something from online. I got Lincoln like this little cool like stroller slash tricycle. I don't know what it is. We're parked already in case you guys are wondering why he's out of his seat. But yeah, I just came to pick it up and I remembered that I've been wanting to do a Target shop with me, and so here we are. We have Lincoln and Miss Leilani joining us for today's adventure. I hope I find some new makeup. I don't know what I'm looking for, but we're just gonna look around and hopefully find some new stuff. And yeah, if you guys like this type of content, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And without further ado, let's get into this. Shop with me, shop with me, shop with me, me. Shop with me, shop with me, shop with me and the kids. Let's go. Okay, so first thing I see here is the new e.l.f. Electric Mood Collection. They have this little like eye kit. They have the brush set. Hello, can we focus? They have the Big Mood Mascara. This one I've been really into. It's really nice for volumizing and just giving tons of length. So love that. This one is actually one of my favorite lip liners at the moment. It comes with a lip gloss, which I'm not a fan of. But they also have here the new Electric Mood Palette. This one is actually really nice. I know some people didn't like it, but I personally found it super nice. And I like the formula on that. And they just have their other products that launched with this collection and some other e.l.f. stuff. So let's see what else we find here. Jeez, look at you and Lincoln. They're staring at that baby that's crying. Okay, Maybelline, let's see. I don't see anything new from Maybelline. Neutrogena. Nothing new here. Milani. They have some new stuff. I'm actually thinking of doing a one brand tutorial using all Milani products. So yeah, I need to figure out what I have at home so I can come back and buy it and then stock up on whatever I don't have. L'Oreal is here. They have a sale on their lipsticks that buy 3 get 1 free. This formula is actually really nice. These are a satin finish. I prefer their matte finish, but these are really nice as well. And then their foundations. So nothing new from L'Oreal as well. I'm looking for Beauty Bakery. I don't know if they have it at this Target though, so what's happening? Are you squishing your sister? Are you squishing your sister? Oh, look at you, you meanie. Okay, so I'm not seeing much of any new makeup, honestly. I might have to stop by a different Target on my way home. This is a Target that I've actually never been to, and they do have some like e.l.f. and Pixie, but I was mainly looking for Beauty Bakery and for a different brand from last time, and I just don't see it. Oh, but that's cool. Face brushes. These are little microdermabrasion little things. Oh, look at this. They have a dermaplaning, facial exfoliating, and peach fuzz hair removal system. I have actually wanted something like this. This is $29.49. That's not bad because the little razors that I currently have, the ones that you get at like TJ Maxx, they burn my skin a lot, so I'm looking for something new. I'm gonna look at the reviews first before I buy it though. Okay, so they do have here though the new Wet n Wild collection. They released a bunch of new products, and they have the In Love with Cocoa lip kit, which is a nude, like a brown. Obviously I'm gonna get this one because this is what I would gravitate towards.
Chapstick. Okay, I know this sounds weird, but I've tried chapstick before and it does not taste good.
They also have here the palettes. These retail for $4.99 and the lip kits for $4.99. So this is the one that goes with the Cocoa lipstick, the cherry palette, and the My Passion Session, which is this one right here. And they also have the face palette. So I think I'm gonna try a few. This one looks nice. These also retail for $4.99. I don't know, should I try all of them? Should I try some of them? And then I also see down here some new coconut scrubs. They also have here some new Treehound Island Bliss scrubs. I think I'm gonna grab me one of these because I love them and I love collecting them, honestly. I just like to switch up the scents of when I'm taking like a shower and stuff. So here, let's grab that one. I think I want to try this one since I have the lip kit. Let's grab that one. This one looks nice, but I don't know if I'll use it. Like, it's pretty. It's cute, huh?
Yeah.
The honey, so it looks like they're out of stock of the honey one. I don't see that one. Let's just stick with one. I'm just gonna review maybe this one. So let's take these two, Lenny.
He's grabbing them.
Just put them in there. And then we'll grab, this looks like a bronzer. So let's grab this one here, Lenny. And I'll take this one so I can try it as a blush topper.
He likes this one for some reason. He likes this one.
Sir, can you please not touch? Okay, so I don't need a body wash. Body wash? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I need a body wash. I mean, I don't need one, but anytime I buy a body scrub, I like to buy a body wash to go along with it. Okay, so I just smelled that one, the coconut scrub that I got, and this one looks like it would pair super nicely with it. This one is the Olay B3 Complex, and it has Orchid and black currants. It smells super delicious. So I'm gonna take this one.
We didn't even see this one.
So I can pair these two.
We should have got this one. This smells.
Let me see.
This smells like strawberries.
Well, it smells okay. It smells good, but not as good as the other ones that you have. Okay, I need to buy. Oh no! Oh yes, I have them. Okay. So this is the razor that I'm currently using. Oh my gosh, this camera sucks at focusing. I'm currently using this. I don't use this one. It's okay. Never really liked it. But I do need to suck up on some cartridges. So I'm going to take one. And I want to try a new shaving cream. Moisturizing concentrated shave cream. Okay, I think I've tried this one before and I don't know if I love it, so I'm gonna try this one because I am super sensitive. So we're gonna try this one and hopefully it works. Okay, so I think that is everything that I'm gonna get at this Target. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop at another Target to see if I find Beauty Bakery. So I'll see you guys at another Target. Okay, I am now finally able to show you what I got at Target. I got a little bit sidetracked and I stopped at Ross. They actually just opened a new one, maybe like 2 minutes away from my house. And oh my gosh, ever since we moved to Texas, they have been working on it. So I've been so antsy to go, and yeah, it's a bad idea for that Ross to be so close to my house. So I went in to look at some shirts, and I actually just found this really cute shirt that I bought for a video that I'm working with a company, and I kind of wanted to match the aesthetic. But anyways, I found a perfume. I've never bought any perfumes from Ross, and so when I saw this one, I was like, I need to buy it. The Vera Wang Princess. This is like old school, okay? Like old school. I remember when I was how old was I? 22, 20, 21, something like that. I actually worked at Kohl's and they had this perfume, the Vera Wang, and every time I would go in for my shift, before I clocked in, I would go into like the perfume section and I would go and bathe myself in this perfume. It smells so good, and you guys are not gonna believe how much I paid for this. This one was $25. Yeah, $25. So it has the sticker right here. 25 bucks. So I was like, oh my gosh, this is a perfume that I've always wanted and I never got it because it was so expensive. I don't know how much it retails for. I know that it's like, yeah, like 60 bucks. It's super expensive and it smells so good. It's like so nostalgic. Oh my goodness. Let me spray some. Like, I definitely did not need another perfume because I just got a whole bunch of new ones from Dossier, but here I am. Ooh, actually, this doesn't smell as good as I remember it smelling. No, it does. It does smell good. I take that back. Okay, so anyways, back to Target. If you guys watch my hygiene hauls, you guys know how much I love body washes and body scrubs. I love layering my scents just to really make it last. So I picked up a new body wash, which I did not need. I have so many. I'm thinking of doing a organize my hygiene products with me because my bathroom's a mess. But this is the Olay Fresh Outlast Orchid and Black Currants body wash. It smells so good. If you're at Target or Walmart, please smell this and let me know if you like it, or if you have it, let me know. And this one, I think it's new. It's the Treehound Island Bliss Shea Sugar Scrub, and it's coconut scent, I think. But oh my goodness, if you guys smell these together, they pair so nicely. And I have this body spray from Bath and Body Works that it's like a coconut beach scent, and I know it's going to pair super nicely with these two. So I'm excited for that. I did pick up the new In Love with Cocoa collection. I don't know if I say that right. Is it Cocoa or Cocoa? By Wet n Wild, but I picked up the setting spray, which I love their setting spray. I also picked up the face palette. These are limited edition products, by the way. And then from the collection, I also got the In Love with Cocoa lip kit. And this is what it looks like. Comes with a lip liner and a lip gloss. I also swatched it and I really like the lip liner. And then the palette is called In Love with Cocoa, just like cocoa. You know what, I'm gonna Google Translate that really quick because I feel like I'm saying that so wrong. I'm an idiot, and it's cocoa. In Love with Cocoa. I don't know why I was thinking it was cocoa. Ay, Dios mío. I did pick up a blush because it didn't come with a blush. So this is part of their cherry, my cherry amour collection. They have the honey, they have the cocoa, the cherry, and then I forgot the other one. But this one contains 2 blushes, and I did swatch them already, and they swatched super nicely. I'm not going to swatch them for you guys. You're going to have to wait for the video. Pick that up, and then I also bought a new shaving cream. I've heard really good things of this brand, Cremo, so I'm excited for that. And then I had to pick up some new razor blades. This is my absolute favorite one because it gives you a really close shave. I'm excited to try it with that. And then, what else? Oh yeah, I also got the primer serum from that same Cocoa collection. I did apply it on the back of my hand, and honestly, I wasn't impressed, but I'm going to have to try it on the skin to see how it looks. I ended up going to a different Target, and I bought a palette from the brand called Color Story, but this is the Bright Blossoms Press Pigment Palette. The packaging is super, super, super cute. And let's open it. Oh, wow. You guys knew I was going to get something colorful, right? That is so pretty. And then here I have the Beauty Bakery Bite Size Bronzer. And I Don't Give a Sip, which is super small, but hopefully it's nice. I also picked up their Snackaroons highlighter. This one, and this one is called Sugarcoat Everything. It looks really pretty. I have tried Beauty Bakery before, like 2 years ago, but their products are pretty good. And this is the blush and Hey Pumpkin, which is right up my alley. It's like a super peachy orange. And then from Mented, so that's the brand. I'm pretty sure it's Mented Cosmetics. I picked up the Peach Police Semi-Matte Lipstick. The lipstick looks very similar to the MAC lipsticks, but this one feels really cheapy. Like there's almost no product in here. But yeah, let's swatch it. This is actually pretty dark. It looked a lot more peachy in the packaging, but I think it's a color that I can work with. So got that. And then I ended up getting a bottle for Lincoln. I'm trying to transition him from like his bottles to sippy cups to straw cups. So that is everything that I got from Target. Oh, that perfume smells so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's shop with me at Target for some essentials and some new makeup. If you enjoy videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free and I post a lot of content, so make sure you turn on your bell notifications so you never miss any of my videos. I'm gonna go shower and I'm gonna go to sleep because I am one tired mama. So thank you all for being here. I love you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Have a great day or night. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.